Video is going to be an exciting video because I get to unbox the 6-in-1 system, which is the Magna frames from Toltec. I'll be making different videos for you guys. Today I'm only going to be using one frame. Stay tuned for other videos on my channel. If you are new here, my name is Maria Angelina. I do motivational embroidery business videos and also my stationery business. So let's go ahead and unbox the Magna frames, and I'm pretty excited to use it, and I'm going to show you guys how this works. So let's go ahead and get this going. Okay guys, so I was able to unbox it, and this is what we have. So this set comes from Toltec, and this one is a 6-in-1. You will get this in the box, and it's just telling you that these two brackets are extra. So if they don't fit on your machine, they're telling you that they are free. So they're just letting you know. So those are extra frames, brackets. They did send me for my Baby Lock Alliance my brackets, so they are here. So I'm going to show you guys in a minute, and here are the screws for it. So I'm going to find out how to put this together, but let's go over what we have for the 6-in-1. So in the box, we have a 1x6, and this 1x6 is actually great for your keychains. If you make keychains and you embroider on any keychains, you can go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a try. I won't be using all of these today, but I am gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing with the whole 6-in-1 system throughout my videos. I'm going to be using it to see how this is going to upscale my business. The next one we have is a 2x4, and this is actually a very good one, especially for socks and smaller items. This is great. This is a good size for it. The next one we have is a 3x4. So this is getting better because you can do a smaller logo right here with this one. Okay, so the next one we have is a 6-inch frame. This is what it looks like, and this is going to be a good one, guys, because you can hoop the soft hats. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And the next one here is a 5x4, I believe. Yes, this is a 5x4. Let me double check. Yes, it is. This is actually a 5x4. And the last one is a 7x5, and this is going to be the best one that I'm going to be using a lot in my business. So again, we have a 1x6, we have a 2x4, 3x4, 6, 5x4, and then we have a 7x5. The sizes that we have here are going to be a game changer for your business. I'm going to show you guys what I've been using. I've been using the fast frames, and you guys are familiar for my embroiderers here in my channel. This is what I've been using. Let me show you guys really quick for my Baby Lock Alliance. And I love them because I'm not going to say I don't love these, because I had them for years and I'm using them. But look at how you have to put the adhesive. There's more work to use the fast frames. Let's just say that this is going to be a game changer because you don't have to use any adhesive. Okay, so this is what I've been using for many years, and again, I love them, but this is an upgrade for this one. So let's go ahead and put this aside again. I'm going to go ahead and make different videos for you guys using my 6-in-1. This is not going to be the only video that I'm going to be making for the Toltec frames. I am going to be making several videos showing you guys how to use each individual frame. I hope it helps you guys, and it helps you guys make a decision if you need to upgrade from any frames. This is definitely going to be a game changer. It's going to be much better for my business. This is something that I'm really excited to be using. So Toltec did send me this whole package so I could try it with my Baby Lock Alliance. I'm going to show you guys a lot of videos with this 6-in-1. All right, so let's go ahead and put this together, guys. So it should be pretty simple. All you do is grab your screws and a washer and just put them on the top here. I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys enjoy the music, and I'm just going to put this on really quickly. So that's all set. So now that we have the brackets on, interchanging the frames is pretty easy. All you do is just put it in those grooves. Make sure you loosen it up. So once you put it in the groove, go ahead and tighten the knob and you're ready to go. So let me go ahead and change another one. So it's pretty simple to change. Put this one on. Very simple. What I like about these frames is that they have the magnetic backing, so I do love that. You don't have to use, and depending on what fabric you are using, you can use stabilizer. For instance, the bags that I did for my branding, I don't have to use stabilizer, so it's pretty easy to hoop. All you do is put it in the bag and just hoop it up. So here's the difference between fast frames and the hooping system for Magna frames. I use these here to hold my fabric and my work, and I will use this little clips. So this takes longer to prepare to do your design. So this is definitely a step up for me. Okay guys, so I was working with the 5x4 frame and I absolutely love it. So I was able to do the 3 designs here with the same frame, and that took like no time at all. So for this specific bag, I don't use any stabilizer. So I'm gonna show you guys how I keep the placement on all of them and using the 5x4 frame. So here is the cutout of my logo. Okay, so the way I mark these, I actually use either the T ruler or any type of ruler, and I'm going to get half of this. So I'm just gonna say right about there. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mark it with my dots. I've been using this for a lot of years, and this is how I mastered how to get placement all the time in the same spot. So what you do is just make sure that it falls right on the dot. And then what you're gonna do is pretty simple. So for this one here, you don't have to do anything extra. All you have to do is hoop it and you're done. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and hoop it to the 5x4. And I'm gonna get it where I want it to be, right in the center. And of course, you have to make sure you measure your design and make sure that it fits on the frame. That's one thing you have to do. Mine fits right on the 5x4. So right now, I'm just gonna get it to where I want it. And I think this is about right. Yep, right there. All you have to do is make sure it lines up to where you want it, and then all you have to do is put the frame right on it, and you're done. So right now, what you do is just fix it to make sure it's straight, and you're done. All you have to do is put it in the machine. So I'm gonna show you really quickly how I'm gonna put it in the machine. So let me bring you over here. I'm going to do this with one hand because I'm actually holding the camera, but I'm going to show you guys. So here's the Baby Lock Alliance, and I was able to go ahead and put it in there. Very easy. And what I'm gonna do is trace my design and get it stitching so you guys can see, but it fits in perfectly. And this is what it looks like when you put it in here. So here is the bracket connected to my Baby Lock Alliance, and it fits perfect. So again, this works for your Baby Lock Alliance, and it also works for your Baby Lock 6 needle machines. It also works for that. So that's a great thing because it works for both of them, but I'm using it with the Baby Lock Alliance right now. So I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna stitch it out and show you guys what it looks like and go from there. So I'm gonna be making videos with different designs and different items, but today I'm only going to be working on my branding and show you guys how easy it is to work with the frames. perfect placement. So I'm gonna go ahead and stitch this out and show you guys what it looks like. I'm actually gonna remove this really quickly. Beautiful. Here we are. So that's what it looks like. Pretty simple. So right now I'm just gonna move this really quickly. Take this out and put this back in the machine. It's already there. That was fast. Okay, it's already clipped to the machine. So what I'm gonna do is get the next one and I'm just gonna hoop it. So it's pretty simple to hoop because I don't need no backing. So I already know this is my placement. This is really strong. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and hoop it. I'm just gonna slide it on and just fix this. Move it to my center. I'm gonna trace it. I'm in an awkward position right now. That's why it was kind of difficult for me to get it straight, but it looks pretty straight right now because I need to make sure that it was in the center. But it's so easy to hoop and just take the next one and just keep going. So also wanted to mention about the thickness of any item that you're doing. I like to do towels as well, so this is very important. I just want to let you know that this is so strong. I'm going to show you really quickly. Another thing that I like about this is that it handles all kinds of materials. I'm gonna test it out with a towel. I haven't tested that out yet, but I'm gonna have a lot of videos using the 6-in-1, but in this particular video, I'm actually concentrating on just branding my business. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to just put anything together and put it on the frames. Another thing that's very important to me is how it holds the material. So right now this is a felt. I work a lot with felt, and this is very easy to hoop and get in the machine. So that's another plus for this 6-in-1. So look at how beautiful they came out, guys. I'm very, very pleased with them. This is a lot to do my designs on my paper clips. So this is very important for me because it's gonna hold the felt. So it does hold very, very good. So this is another item that I could do on the little frames as well. So I'm going to try that as well for you guys. But I'm going to be doing different videos. This is not going to be the only video I'm going to be doing using my 6-in-1. But I wanted to show you guys really quick, introduce the 6-in-1 for you guys to see and how it's going to level up your business.